Apple recently announced 3 new iPhones and they are good. But the iPhone XR is going to top the charts, and let me explain why. Now, the iPhone XS and XS Max are both good, but sadly their prices haven't reduced, which make the iPhone XR more desirable. You can buy a brand new iPhone XR for around $750, which is $250 cheaper than the baseline iPhone XS. And this price difference makes a huge impact in the sales, especially in countries like India where people prefer high performance for lower cost. Also, Apple hasn't gone with any older processor for the XR like they have done in the past. The iPhone XR comes with the A12 bionic chip, which is the same found on the XS and XS Max, so we get super fast performance all across the board. The iPhone XR has a single camera, but the specifications of the camera are similar to that of the iPhone XS's wide-angle lens. Yes, you do lose the telephoto lens, but rest of the camera features are here to stay. The front-facing camera also has the same lens and the features as that of the iPhone XS. Now those purchasing the XR will definitely not feel like they are using an older iPhone in a newer body, so kudos to Apple. And of course you have your secure Face ID IP67 rating, not IP68 this time, but anyways you have wireless charging and a line of amazing new colors. And these colors will definitely increase the sale of the XR as consumers now have a wide range of colors to choose from, with my favorite being product red. The iPhone XR has nearly the same internals and camera as the iPhone XS and XS Max, but they sure would have cut corners to reduce the price. And this is where the display comes in. Instead of using an OLED display, the iPhone XR comes with an LCD display, and Apple has named it Liquid Retina. The cheesy name aside, the display doesn't seem too bad because Apple's previous iPhones with LCD displays have looked really good, and this sure won't disappoint you. Yes, it is not going to be 1080p, so YouTube is capped at 720p, and that is a bit of a letdown, but still it has the P3 color gamut, true tone, and a max brightness of 625 nits. And this display lacks two main features that the XS has. There's no HDR and it doesn't have 3D touch. Now as for HDR, we don't have loads of HDR content, so it won't be an issue. And then as for 3D touch, we have a replacement mechanism called haptic feedback, which should pretty much get the job done. So basically the display on the XR is not a huge downgrade from the XS or XS Max, rather it is a minor cutback on not so useful features. And there you have it. This is why the iPhone XR will top the charts. For $750 we are literally getting the iPhone XS but rebranded as the iPhone XR. And fun fact, even the iPhone XR model with the highest storage is still $100 cheaper than the iPhone XS's baseline model. And yes, this is $750 and by no means is it cheap. And when you compare it to other really competitively priced Android devices, yes, this is costly, but when you compare the XR to the higher end versions like the XS or say even the XS Max, then this is a better option to choose from. So Apple is definitely going to regret releasing the iPhone XS, as the XR is going to be the obvious choice for many and it is sure to top the charts. So thank you for watching and please do subscribe.